What's up, people? You know who it is. It's your boy, and I'm here again with, let me show you, Auto Expo, baby. Because this is the place you need to be if you have, still not gonna say the word, bad credit. If you have bad credit, if you have credit that's not so perfect, look what you could be driving now. Look what you could be driving now. This car, that car, this car. Which car you want? Hold on. Maybe you don't want these cars. Maybe you...
So if you're looking for a beautiful luxury M vehicle, stop by our showroom today and we'll get you approved for the car you want.
Hi, this is Henry McDuffie and
Larry?
Yeah, and I had a wonderful experience. Larry is everything.
So if you're shopping for a luxury vehicle, all our vehicles are certified pre-owned, so stop by today and check out our inventory. Hope to see you soon.
What's up, folks? It's me, and I'm back. Yes, I'm with Auto Expo once again. And I gotta tell you, man, they brought me back. They said, Dino, you gotta come back. The last video went viral. Everybody was clicking and typing. Some people even thought that I work here. I don't even work here. They just brought me back because the last video went viral, and I had to come show some love. And look, even with my... I'm still not gonna say it. I still had the bad credit, and look. It's my car. Look at my Dunkin' Donuts, man. I'm still just chilling. You know what I mean? It's my car. But look at all the other cars that you can have. Look, you can have any car on the lot. And I'm telling you right now, this is the only sign you need to know. Auto Expo, baby. Check it out. Yeah, baby! Boom! You already know who it is. It's Mr. Auto Expo, and you know who I am. I have, not gonna say the word, I have bad credit. And guess what? I was still able to get a car here at Auto Expo. And folks, who did I bring today? Mr. Owen Barrett, brand new real estate agent, and he wanted a car, even though his credit was light. He didn't have all the credit he needed. Auto Expo, look. You see this sign right here? That's the only sign you need to know. Auto Expo was able to have Mr. Owen Barrett drive off the lot with one of these right here, baby. Woo! You know what that is right there? That's that big Benz sign. He came in with a Benz hat and he's driving out with a Benz car. Auto Expo, baby. Come on down. We got you.